So right now I'm gonna show you how to create internet, your internet cable, so you can connect through LAN. You can from Wi-Fi to your computer or Wi-Fi router to the internet source. First, we need this one. We need a diagram. So there is 1 to 8. Also, there are colors, so you can determine each wire. So there are 2 ends representing this one here. 2 ends of a wire. So there are green, orange, blue, orange, and brown. So as you notice, here's a wire. They are colored. They're green and striped green, brown and striped brown, orange and striped orange. Also, we need RJ45 connector, this one. Also, in this process, we need also a crimping tool. So there are many crimping tools, but this crimping tool has a cutter here and has a blade here. So be careful in this part. There are students that injured themselves because of these wires, this blade. Also, there is this one that secures the lock in a RJ45. So we need tester. We need a battery for the tester. So as you notice in the tester, there is 1 to 8 also. And I haven't used the ground, this G. So that's it. So let's set up. So first thing we're going to do is get this one, and then here. So both ends, we're gonna cut it. So I have, this is the use of splicer, the crimping tool. So you notice there is a blade here. So this will cut the wire, cover the wires. Spin it. So you notice there is splice here. It's not clear, but there. So it depends on the wire. Some wires are soft, but this one is hard. This kind of wire. The brown, this is the blue. The hardest is the black. So they're blue, black, and gray. The gray is the softest. The hardest are the brown. The hardest is the black. This blue is the middle. It's not soft and it's not hard. So first we're gonna disassemble the wires. So I didn't cut the other one because it has already been cut. So this one here. So we need to ready the RJ45. And then what I'm going to do is follow the instructions here. So first first is stripe green, then green, and then, so my hands are slippery, and then stripe orange, then orange, and then stripe blue, then blue, stripe orange, then blue, then stripe blue down. So this is hard. No, I mean this is not soft. White, green, stripe green, green, stripe orange, blue, stripe blue, then what happened? Stripe blue. I thought it was cut. Just be careful with this crimping tool because it can easily cut your wire. Sometimes depends on the type of wire. just like what I said. There are soft wires and hard wires, depends to, but this type, the blue is hard, so you need to fix that one. Sometimes I use pliers to, so we need to insert that. So you can see in RG45 there is a clip here, and also the metal part here, like his teeth. So in the diagram, it will be faced here, facing you, the metal. The purpose is this metal is it will hit the wires later, so we're gonna insert it. This one, insert here. You can see if it's clear in your side. Oh, too bad it's not. There are RG45 that has holes here, but this type of RG45 is for NC2, so there are no holes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this, straighten up. As you can see, it's not straight. Some wires are long, some wires are short. I'm gonna use this RG45. Crimping tool. You can see there's a blade here. Gonna cut the one. So let's check white, green, white, orange, or blue, white, blue, orange, then browns. To make sure. Again. That one's like no color. Then we're gonna insert that one here. Then you're gonna see this one here. It's inserted. After that, finished. So make sure it's in the end. You can see here. There, this one here. Then the part in the top, most of the crimping tool, you're gonna insert it here. You see the teeth here? You're gonna insert that one here. You need to push. Sorry, that one. So to secure it in place. There. So you can check it later using this one. Tester if it works. If it is placed correct. So let's do this in the other part. This one here. So if it is wrong, so we're gonna force to cut this one again. So it will be a waste of time and your RG45 resources. Again, white. So if you notice, the same color in the both sides. So that's what we're going to do again. White, green, white, orange, blue, then white, blue, orange, white, brown. So, white, blue, orange. You notice sometimes there are wires that have this one. This is just a string, so it's just nothing. So that's there for I don't know what's its purpose. Okay, I'm gonna straight it. White, blue, orange, and the top. RG45. By the way, I have this one. It's a female plug. I guess so. I haven't used it. You will use that you'll be using experience that on college days, preparing for MD2. But we haven't used that one. Then insert. So I hope inserted well. This is wrong, then yeah, do it again. Just have faith. Okay. Oh no. Just gonna check that one. Then the moment of truth. See this one? This is a tester. It's on. Just click it on. So you're gonna insert the correct one. You see RG45 and RG11. So the RG45 is much bigger. It's on here. So by the way, how you use it in work, you're gonna pull the other one. And then why is it not? Stop it. Yeah, that one inserted. Then this other one. So yeah, make sure that this inserted low. Then the other one here. Yeah, so hard. I don't know why. So hit on. Boom. So you can see this is wrong. 3, 4, no 5. 2, 3, 4, no 5. And 7 is weak. Again. So we'll cut this one. So this is garbage now. Cut this one here. So this is garbage. Let's make another one again. I don't know why. So let's so we're going to be 1 hour. Okay. So I use a scissors to cut that annoying thing. So I'm not sure which end is wrong, either this one or the other one. White, orange, blue, and I'm not sure with what went wrong. But like what I said, there is a RJ45 that has holes in it, but this one of mine didn't have. So this RJ45 has been in my possession for years now. White green green, white orange, blue white blue, orange brown. So if this is wrong, then don't know what went wrong. Cannot force it. I hope now it works. Is it stuck? This tip is supposed to be worse in that one. The metal bits. Okay, let's check it. There is no signal. Okay. Guess my crimping tool broke. Didn't clip well. Oh, you can see. Yeah, just my crimping tool just broke. So you turn off, turn on. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is how, like, you're going to have a team. You're gonna install a long wire for the internet. So you need this one to the other team, and then this one to the other team, so that as you connect it and test it, then you will not waste your time going back and forth. That the customer will say, our internet is not working. So you have a tester here, so to test that your internet is working. So this is how important this tester here is. And then that one also, you need to have a reliable crimping tool. Maybe the teeth here is not clipping it well. That's why also I didn't push it too hard here. So when I did push it well, it crimped well. So that's it for our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's it. It's a 20-minute internet. 20-minute tutorial.